Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a dump truck. Before you even think about starting the engine, a meticulous pre-trip inspection is absolutely crucial. You must verify that your tires are at the correct pressure, your oil and coolant levels are adequate, and your brakes are fully functional. Take a moment to check all exterior lights, mirrors, and ensure any warning signals are working properly. This essential routine helps prevent accidents and ensures your vehicle is road-ready, keeping everyone safe on the job site. Once your truck passes inspection, it is time to master the basic controls. Driving a dump truck requires a different approach than a standard vehicle. You will need to learn the specific gear shifting patterns, which often involve many gears, and practice smooth, gradual braking due to the immense weight. Always be mindful of the truck's extensive blind spots, and remember that you will need to take exceptionally wide turns, giving yourself plenty of room. Patience and precision are key to safe maneuvering. Loading and unloading material safely are critical aspects of dump truck operation. When receiving material, position your truck precisely so the load is distributed evenly across the bed, preventing imbalance. For unloading, activate your power takeoff unit, and then slowly and steadily raise the dump bed. Before initiating any dump, always verify that the area behind and around your truck is completely clear of other vehicles, equipment, or any individuals. Safety is paramount during these operations, preventing hazards from falling material. Beyond daily operational checks, regular maintenance is vital for your dump truck's longevity and safety. Consistently inspect your suspension components, hydraulic lines, and the overall condition of the truck's body for any wear or damage. Adapt your driving style to different terrains, such as uneven ground or soft surfaces, and always account for weather conditions like rain or snow. Remaining vigilant, maintaining situational awareness, and clear communication with your team are essential practices for a safe and productive workday.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.